Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. This video is all about solving past paper questions on trigonometric equations. So let's get started. We're going to be solving question 19 from paper 2, variant 2, February-March 2020. So here's part A of question 19. It says on the diagram, sketch the graph of y equals to the cosine of x for x between 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Okay, this is pretty easy. First, we are going to find the values of y for each of the given x values respectively. Let's start by finding the value of y when x is 0. To do that, enter the cosine of 0 in your calculator and press the equals to button. This gives us 1, which is the value of y when x is 0. Now repeat this process for the rest of the x values till 360. Then, we plot these coordinate points on the diagram. I've done this in red color here. Next, we sketch the graph going through these plotted points, like I've shown you here. So the graph I'm showing you here is the answer. Now for part B of question 19. It says to solve the equation 4 times the cosine of x plus 2 equals to 3 for x between 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Okay, so first we need to rearrange this equation so that the cosine of x is the subject. Subtract 2 from both sides. Then divide both sides by 4. This gives us the cosine of x equals to 1 over 4. This is the same as the cosine of x equals to 0.25. Now draw a straight line across the graph from 0.25 on the y-axis. I've drawn this line in red color here. As you can see, these are the points of intersection of the graph and the red line. These are the x-coordinates of these points of intersection. These x-coordinates are the solutions to this equation and the answer to part B. To find these x-coordinates, we go back to our equation and make x the subject. Take cosine inverse of 0.25. This gives us x equals to 75.5224 and so on degrees. As you can see, these spaces here represent 75.5224 so on degrees. So we know this x-coordinate is 75.5224 and so on. Rounding to one decimal place gives x equals to 75.5. To find this x-coordinate, we subtract 75.5224 and so on from 360, which is 284.4775 and so on. Rounding to one decimal place gives us x equals to 284.5. So the answer is x equals to 75.5 degrees and x equals to 284.5 degrees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any doubts, please comment below and I'll be happy to answer them for you. To find more videos like this, please view the playlist. I'll be back with another video soon.